ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, इट्स योर बॉय बिलाल एंड वेलकम बैक टू इन द वीडियो। तो गाइस पता है कि इस वीडियो को काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग बहुत वेट कर रहे थे। तो ये वीडियो टॉपिक तो आपको पता ही होगा जो टाइटल में डाला हुआ है। तो ये वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे का इवेंट था तो लास्ट संडे। तो आज है फ्राइडे जो मैं वीडियो ये इंट्रो जो शूट कर रहा हूँ। तो उधर पे इतना ज़्यादा शोर था कि इवेंट का, तो मैं इंट्रो भी नहीं दे पाया ना, तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बात कर पाया उस वीडियो में। छोटे मोटे क्लिप्स है इधर उधर बीच में, आपको पता चलेगा जितने जितने मैं बात करके हूँ। जैसे कि ये इंटरेक्शन होके थोड़े बहुत ऑटो केयर्स या ऑटो एसेसरीज के जो स्टॉल्स थे उधर पे मैंने बातचीत किया था। तो आपको पता चलेगा ओवरऑल इस वीडियो के आगे देखने के बाद। तो ये वीडियो छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन था बस स्टार्टिंग का। तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट था, बाइकिंग इवेंट। कोशिश करेंगे कि आगे फ्यूचर में और भी अटेंड करेंगे इवेंट्स। और जो बीच में प्रॉब्लम आई मेरे को कि मेरा एक्शन कैमरा मेरे पास नहीं था, तो इसी के कारण मैं ज़्यादा ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाया वो पार्ट। तो बाकी का जो भी वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे का इवेंट का था क्लिप्स था कंप्लीट मैंने ऐड कर दिया इस वीडियो में। और उसके बाद हमने एक राइड भी की, करीब लंच राइड थी, करीब 100 किलोमीटर प्लस। मैं भी सोचा नहीं था कि इतना लंबा राइड होगा। उसके बाद इवेंट के बाद करीब 100 किलोमीटर प्लस कोनिगल का जो एम्पायर है उधर पे गए थे हम। तो यही था गाइस, अभी वॉच करते हैं ना, आगे आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या हमने किया उस दिन।
ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹೈ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಮಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು?
Also, or it's only for display? If you want, you can share your details. We'll inform to them. Okay, they will do that. Even the front one also. What will be the approx cost for this?
Sir, this is after bike cost, it will be 1.2 lakhs.
1.2 lakhs. Okay. So majority what we are getting here is the tires. What's the size of this tire?
17-inch tires, sir.
17.
Request from the audience. Alright, how about beating on Greenville, Rock you? I'm sure you know the lyrics to that. Okay?
Almost 1.5 lakhs we are giving on bike.
Okay.
We are not touching anything for engine and all. Okay. Engine and exhaust loud. Custom, everything will be custom.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we will bring you the official
What's the price for this shoe?
Yeah. 9,300.
And what's the price for this one?
6,000.
It's like recently launched, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wireless charging.
Wireless plus USB. Everything will be inside. Yeah.
This is only USB.
This is non-charger.
Okay, non-charger, only stand. What's the price for this one?
It's 1,990.
1,999. Hi Nikhil.
Hi bro,
So what do you have here?
we have a Scram over here. The new edition of
411cc, right?
yeah, same 411cc
Is it
and
single cylinder or double cylinder?
this is a brother of Himalayan, that's it.
Brother of Himalayan. Just on, I want to hear the exhaust note. What extra it has than Himalayan? Like extra power?
No, the same power,
Same, everything is same.
everything is same. Just the cosmetic changes has been done on the vehicle.
Okay.
So like the front wheel has been changed with the 21 inch. It was like 21 inch and this is 19 inch tires. And the front mount has been changed with the like they have a fixed mount in the Himalayan. This has been the movable headlights we have fixed over here.
Movable.
Yeah.
I would like to say that
In Himalayan you won't get the
Okay, it will be like fixed.
fixed.
One side, the handle will be
mounted.
fixed.
you know when I got my
Let's take a test drive very soon.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. What is this used for?
So this is a fuel optimizer. So before you had carburetors, now you have fuel injected bikes.
Yeah.
So fuel injected bikes, we have no option to adjust the fueling. So we have designed a product where it adjusts the fueling and you can adjust the fueling accordingly.
Like in average, is that any plus point for the bike may give a good mileage?
Your bike becomes smoother,
Okay.
your bike will run cooler, and your lower end of the bike. So if there is any jerky feeling in the bike, it will become. So normally the power of the top curve will be like this, goes up like this.
Okay.
That will become smoother or linear, which we can tell. So this becomes linear. Your bikes becomes very nice to ride.
You have for RR 310 Apache?
Yes. We are actually designing for the RR310.
Okay.
Because so what we do is we specifically go for bikes. We take that single year of manufacture. We check the bike. We take the signals and then we design a product.
Okay.
So normally what we do is it is R&D every single day. We are a Bangalore-based company. We are since 2004.
Okay, so for RR 310 you are at to
As
like,
of now,
it's
we are
work in
not-
progress.
Yes,
Yeah.
work in progress. So we have a Powertronic. It is called Powertronic. That is a performance-oriented product.
Okay.
So we are controlling fueling and ignition.
Do you have for RR 310?
Yes, we do have for
That's
RR3.
cool. Like what's the cost of this product?
Okay, for the single cylinders, it will be 6,990 for single cylinder light version. There is a pro version where you have 10 different maps, where you can go from leaner map to a richer map. That will cost you around 9,990 for a single cylinder.
So with installation.
Installation will cost you 699. That is not a problem. You
Okay.
can come down to our place, that is in Kormangla first block. You can visit our website, that is www.powertronicecu.com, and you will know more about our product.
So even this is not included.
This
button.
is actually a universal switch. This is a separate product. So
Okay.
this product, what it does is it is a universal switch. You can use it for auxiliary lights, your chargers, to
Okay,
switch
for
on
that.
and off.
Just an on and off button for any
Anything,
of electronic
anything.
gadgets.
For
Yeah.
even though your product, if you're using your bike for racing, you don't have a kill switch.
Okay.
You can use it as a kill switch also.
Got it. And what is this? That for hazard, like
This is a plug and play hazard module with 3 years of warranty, and so you can see here.
how many modes we have in that?
This is a plug and play, complete plug and play. This will switch to your indicators and your tail lamp.
Okay, like parallelly we can just like we have some modes, I guess.
We have 60 different patterns in the bike.
Okay.
So with tail lamp integration and without tail lamp integration.
Okay, both you have separate.
Yes.
Separate.
So
What's
there are
the price
60
for that?
different patterns. So this is 2,000 rupees.
That is like universal for, or else we have dedicated
Again, bike
products.
specific.
Okay.
Again, bike specific. So whatever products which we make are bike specific, because all the different bikes are having different kinds of wirings, different kinds of sockets. So it is all optimized.